So I opened this up, as you already know. I like the outside. The outside looks really, really nice. Okay, so this is what I was expecting. I was expecting this to be like a nice kind of silver on the outside and, you know, shine really quite nice. And this part as well. And it looks like an enamel. I'm not really thrilled about it. It missed it. The pen missed it. This part's fine. Totally, totally fine. This part here missed it. It just missed it. Because you know that the gold one is going to be all gold and brilliance. So let me go ahead and show you what do I mean. We are going to use Lord of the Rings as what do I mean by it. I'm going to strengthen my argument. Superman. Lord of the Rings. Lord of the Rings bought on Box Lunch. You can actually get these at Box Lunch and get a discount. And then the Julian pin that you can buy through them. This is like the original precursor. So I'm going to move these guys over so I'm not going to knock them down because Jana needs to prove an argument. This box, do you like it? This box is very similar to the box that you usually get with Julian pins. So let us go with Julian pin. Okay. So when you go ahead and you buy from them, you buy this type of Julian pin, and I'm going to show you what it is that I just went ahead and I said, huh? All right, blue. Do you see how it is? Do you see how this gold is? Do you see how it kind of really pops up? All right, now, I'm gonna pull this guy up. Do you see how pretty that is? Do you see how the gold is on this? We're gonna do this as a comparison. This pin costs the same, a little bit more than this one, okay? And that was with the pre-thing. Now, I also want you to see the blues. Okay. All right. That is the first issue. Okay. Let us do another, it wasn't a campaign, it was just an automatic buy. Okay, Superman. Okay. This is the Superman pen. It comes with the ink. This was a different type of pen that they have. Move this guy over to here. All right. Something simple. All right. Do you see what I'm talking about? Do you see how shiny it is? Do you see how the nib is? This nib is good. Don't get me wrong. It's really good. It has Hogwarts on it. This one has the S on it. It is a medium. Yes. I don't think we had a choice. No, it was a fine. But do you see what I'm talking about? Okay. Okay. Shiny. This is not that shiny. Okay. All right. Let us continue on. Okay. Lord of the Rings. This is the one that I got through the campaign. Okay, with this campaign, you also had a calligraphy nib, which is really great. I have not played with it, obviously. I don't know if I'm ever going to play with it. I'm just going to use the ink. All right, again, okay. And you see the writing, which is good. I mean, this one does have the writing on the outside. And now we're going to open this guy up. All right, do you see the brilliance on this? You can see Gandalf's stick and the pipe. This one is thicker, which is fine. I don't care about that, but do you see what I'm talking about? Okay. This campaign here made $1 million in their sell. And then more people really wanted to get more. This one is the one that I bought from Box Lunch because the Lord of the Rings campaign was so good that they actually made this into that you could buy at Box Lunch. Okay, exact same thing. Here we go. The same look, nice and green. There you go. We're gonna open it up. Okay, still just as shiny. No different. They're actually the same. Okay. All right. And now, do you see why I went ahead and went, ah? I would say this was the letdown. I was expecting this to be a shiny silver, not a dull, because it doesn't quite match the others, except for the intermediate pen. So everything was great. I still like it. I mean, I don't think I'm going to be using it, so it's not exactly too bad. That's just because of me and that there's only one. You can't really go over and get more. What is it? So that's the reason why I may be using like the Green Hobbit one, but I have heard about the pens too, them that they can break after a while, so that's the kind of only catch. I'm like going, well, the ink's great. So that was underwhelming.